You mean you want to go in the water? No. No way, Mom. I don't want to go in the water. Oh, there he goes. Good boy, Newman. He likes that. Oh, that's fun. Yay. That's fun. He's a good boy and he wants to go in the water. Newman. He's a cutie pie. Yay! Good boy, Newman. He likes the water.